Hello and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. If you're looking to permanently delete your Agoda account using the mobile app, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through each step clearly and simply, so stay with me until the end to complete the process successfully. Open the Agoda mobile app on your device. On the home screen, tap on the More. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete My Account and tap it. After that, confirm your choice by tapping Delete My Account again when prompted. Now, you'll be asked to log into your Agoda account, again for security reasons. Once you're logged in, check your email inbox for a verification code sent by Agoda. Then, enter the digit code you received in the field provided and tap Continue. Finally, tap Delete My Account once more to complete the deletion process. That's it. Your Agoda account is now permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and take care.